Hello friends, welcome in my channel Color and Color. Today I have Princess Bella. I will do her makeover and color her dress. I color her face, neck and arms with peach color. Is red. She has blue eyes. She has pink blush on her cheeks. She has beautiful brown hair. She has red crown on her head. Her neckline and waist belt is pink. I color her puffy sleeves with yellow color. She has long, beautiful yellow frock. The embroidery on the bottom of her frock is pink. Wow, these are shiny stars. I sprinkle them on her frock to give it more shiny look. Her frock is shining bright and she is looking gorgeous. Do you like this yellow frock? Give a like and subscribe.